Hi there from besthealthinsuranceuk.co.uk. Today we're going to compare treatments between the NHS and private healthcare. If you have the opportunity to sign up to private health insurance, it can be difficult to understand what the differences may be between receiving treatment through private healthcare or the NHS, and whether there is a worthwhile choice. Now, although the fundamental reasons for both the options are to provide healthcare to patients, there are big differences in what each of these can offer. So what are the costs? Simply speaking, healthcare is free on the NHS, whereas private health insurance comes with a price tag. The cost of private health insurance will differ, of course, on what kind of treatment is required. You'll usually be given the option to sign up for private healthcare at your work, or you may even have this provided as part of your package. There are many people in company employment who don't realise this, so it's worthwhile checking your contract to find out if this is an option for you. So what are the waiting times between the NHS and private healthcare treatments? The most significant reason for people signing up to private health insurance is the difference in waiting times for treatments. There are huge numbers of people using the NHS at any given time, which means the waiting times can be very lengthy. It can take as long as several months to get treatment on the NHS, whereas having private health insurance will allow you to greatly reduce these waiting times for all treatments under private healthcare. If you or a loved one needed urgent treatment, I'm sure you'd want to avoid any delay in finding the best treatment available, and in a time scale to avoid any additional complications or, heaven forbid, the condition worsening as a result of the NHS waiting time lottery. As the NHS are due to cut a further $20 billion from their budgets over the next few years, is it any wonder the UK public are genuinely worried for their future health needs? There's a significant difference between the standards of the NHS and private healthcare too. As private healthcare comes at a cost, you can expect a much more spacious and relaxed environment than you can expect from the NHS. Most rooms are en suite in private healthcare compared to the cramped wards and conditions NHS patients have to cope with. So what about the treatment and technology? As private healthcare is at significant cost, you can expect to receive the very best of treatments using the most advanced technology. Private healthcare insurance will give you access to the very best of technology through private healthcare, whereas the NHS simply does not have the funds to invest in the best technology. So although there are treatments available, frustratingly they often come with a lengthy delay and may not be as advanced as that of private healthcare facilities. You know, we all face changes in life, none of us are getting any younger. It's important to make the right decision for both yours and your loved one's future health. Wouldn't it be far easier in the caring hands of private healthcare? And I think you know the answer. For your free, no obligation private health insurance quote, simply go to www.besthealthinsuranceuk.co.uk and fill in the simple form. We'll get the best quote tailored for you and your circumstances by checking all of the leading UK health insurers. You know, it may not be as expensive as you think. Thanks for your time.